Coming forward to rental sheet. On this sheet, we can enter inputs for rented units such as leasing costs and incentive and capitalization rates. Here, we can enter description of rented unit items. Enter land use code. Specify number of units, total area, and rent amount per unit of area. Then we may enter outgoing expenses and vacancy allowances either as a lump sum amount per annum or percentage of gross rent or mix of both. Total amount will be auto-calculated here. Enter lease start and lease end period. Enter operating cost percentage. We can enter rental escalation rates here for up to 10 years for each rented item. Enter letting fee as a percentage of gross rent, and total letting fee will appear here. Enter rent-free months. Enter tenant improvement cost and period in which it will occur. Enter capitalization rate. At this rate, capitalized sales value of a rented unit will be estimated. Total gross and net rental values will be auto-calculated here. Capitalized value of property will be auto-calculated here. If we require additional items to be entered, we have the option to add additional rows here. By clicking this plus icon on the toolbar and enter the number of rows to be added. Additional input rows will be added.